Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our watch reviews and recommendations. Today we're counting down the top 5 solar-powered watches of 2026. These timepieces represent the perfect blend of sustainability, innovation, and reliability. We're talking about watches that never need a battery change, harness the power of light, and deliver exceptional performance whether you're diving, hiking, or just going about your daily routine. So let's jump right in, starting with number 5, Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. And this is where Swiss watchmaking tradition meets cutting-edge smart technology. Tissot has been pushing the boundaries with their T-Touch line for years, and the Connect Solar takes things to an entirely new level. This is a connected smartwatch that combines the elegance and craftsmanship of a traditional Swiss timepiece with modern connectivity features, all powered by solar energy. What makes this watch special is its hybrid approach. You get a beautiful analog display with physical hands, but the watch face is actually a touch-sensitive screen that gives you access to a wide range of smart functions. We're talking fitness tracking, notifications, weather updates, altitude measurement, and even contactless payments. The solar charging system is incredibly efficient. The dial features photovoltaic cells that can harvest energy from any light source, whether it's sunlight or indoor lighting. On a full charge, this watch can run for months, which completely eliminates the anxiety of daily charging that comes with most smartwatches. The build quality is pure Tissot. You get a robust titanium case that's lightweight and hypoallergenic, sapphire crystal for scratch resistance, and excellent water resistance for swimming and water sports. The design is sleek and modern with a sporty, elegant aesthetic that works in multiple settings. One of the coolest features is the actual touch-sensitive crystal. You can tap different areas of the watch face to access different functions, making it incredibly intuitive to use. It's like having a smartphone on your wrist, but with the soul and style of a proper Swiss watch. If you want smart functionality without sacrificing Swiss quality and without the hassle of constant charging, the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar is an excellent choice. Number 4, Casio G-Shock GWM56111. And this is an absolute icon that's been refined to near perfection. If you know watches, you know G-Shock. This is the brand that revolutionized tough watches, and the GWM5621 is a modern take on the classic square G-Shock design that started it all back in the 1980s. But don't let the retro looks fool you. This watch is packed with modern technology. First off, it's solar-powered with Casio's tough solar system, which means it charges from any light source and never needs a battery replacement. The power reserve is impressive too. On a full charge, it can run for months, even in complete darkness. But here's where it gets really cool. This watch is also atomic timekeeping enabled. It automatically syncs with radio signals from atomic clocks around the world, so you get perfect accuracy down to the second no matter where you are. It covers signals from North America, Europe, Japan, and China. The feature set is incredible for the price. You get world time for 48 cities, stopwatch, countdown timer, 5 daily alarms, auto calendar, and of course that iconic EL backlight that illuminates the entire display. And let's talk about toughness. This watch is shock-resistant, 200-meter water-resistant, and built to withstand just about anything you can throw at it. Drop it, bang it, submerge it, this watch will keep ticking. The classic square case design is instantly recognizable and has become a cultural icon. It's been worn by everyone from military personnel to fashion enthusiasts, and it looks equally at home on a construction site or at a streetwear fashion show. For the price, you simply cannot beat the combination of durability, features, solar power, and atomic timekeeping that the GWM5610-1 offers. It's a modern classic. Number 3, Garmin Instinct 2. Solar, and this is the ultimate outdoor adventure watch for 2026. Garmin has become the go-to brand for serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts, and the Instinct 2 Solar represents their most rugged and capable adventure watch. This isn't just a fitness tracker, it's a legitimate survival tool that's built to military standards. The solar charging capability is seriously impressive. Garmin claims that with adequate sun exposure, this watch can run indefinitely in smartwatch mode. Even without solar exposure, the battery life is measured in weeks, not days. That's absolutely crucial when you're on multi-day hikes or expeditions where charging isn't an option. The feature set is comprehensive. You get GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo satellite systems for incredibly accurate tracking, a built-in compass, barometric altimeter, and even thermometer. The health and fitness tracking includes heart rate monitoring, pulse ox sensor, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and support for dozens of activity profiles from running and cycling to climbing and skiing. But what really sets the Instinct 2 apart is its ruggedness. This watch meets U.S. military standard 810 for thermal, shock, and water resistance. The case is fiber-reinforced polymer, the lens is scratch-resistant, and it's water-rated to 100 meters. You can literally take this watch anywhere. The design is bold and functional with a high-contrast display that's readable in direct sunlight. The interface is intuitive with physical buttons that work even with gloves on, which is essential for outdoor use. Smart features include notifications, weather updates, and compatibility with the Garmin Connect ecosystem, so you can analyze your activities and track your progress over time. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, trail runner, hiker, or anyone who needs a watch that can keep up with an active lifestyle while being completely self-sufficient thanks to solar power, the Garmin Instinct 2. Solar is hard to beat. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer Solar Chronograph SSC 813. And this watch is all about combining heritage racing design with modern solar technology. Seiko's Prospex line is legendary for creating professional-grade sports watches, and the Speed Timer collection pays homage to Seiko's iconic chronographs from the 1960s and 70s. The SSC 813 takes that vintage-inspired design and updates it with contemporary materials and solar-powered movement. The design is absolutely stunning. It features a reverse panda dial with a cream-colored main dial and black chronograph subdials that create a gorgeous contrast. The vintage-style pump pushers and crown give it authentic retro character, while the modern finishing and materials keep it feeling fresh. Inside, you've got Seiko's reliable solar-powered chronograph movement. This means you get all the functionality of a traditional chronograph start, stop, reset timing functions with the pushers, but without ever needing to replace a battery. On a full charge, it can run for months, and it charges from any light source. The 41mm case is perfectly sized for modern tastes, and the watch wears beautifully on the wrist. The combination of brushed and polished finishing on the case and bracelet shows Seiko's attention to detail and quality. The sapphire crystal protects the gorgeous dial, and the watch offers 100 meters of water resistance, so it's more than capable for daily wear, including swimming. What really makes this watch special is how it captures the spirit of vintage racing chronographs while being completely practical for modern use. There's no winding, no battery changes, just pure solar-powered reliability wrapped in timeless design. The SSC 813 is perfect for anyone who appreciates classic chronograph styling but wants the convenience and eco-friendliness of solar power. It's sporty, stylish, and incredibly functional. Number 1. Citizen EcoDrive ProMaster Diver. This is the ultimate combination of professional dive watch capability and Citizen's pioneering solar technology. Citizen literally invented EcoDrive technology back in the 1970s, and the ProMaster Diver represents decades of refinement and innovation in solar-powered watchmaking. This is a serious tool watch that professional divers trust, but it's also incredibly practical for everyday wear. The ProMaster Diver is built to ISO standards for diving watches with 200 meters of water resistance, a unidirectional rotating bezel with clear minute markings, and exceptional luminescence on the hands and indices for underwater visibility. This isn't just a watch that looks like a dive watch, it's certified and capable for real professional diving. The EcoDrive movement is incredibly reliable and efficient. It charges from any light source and can run for months on a full charge, even in complete darkness. This means you never have to worry about battery changes, and the watch is always ready to go when you are. The design hits all the right notes. It has that classic dive watch aesthetic with a clean, legible dial, bold markers, and substantial case presence. But Citizen's execution is exceptional with high-quality finishing, perfect proportions, and attention to detail that rivals watches costing much more. The build quality is outstanding. You get a robust stainless steel case that can take a beating, sapphire crystal for scratch resistance, and a screw-down crown that ensures water integrity. The bracelet is well constructed with solid links and a secure diving clasp with extension for wearing over a wetsuit.